Hey there, I want to show you how much this trending video has made so far on YouTube. By the time we are done with this video, you will know that the movie is not just love in every word. There is money in every viewer that watched that video. Wait, as I turn on the light, I'm going to show you clearly for you to see how money is made on YouTube. I was making a friendly chat with ChatGPT to show me how much the latest movie has made on YouTube. Guys, you will be shocked. By the end of this video, I'm very sure if you don't have a YouTube channel, actually will come close. You have to start one today. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to be giving you access to my beginner's PDF for YouTube. All right. This PDF will show you how you can go your way as a beginner on YouTube. So far, money in every word. Did I say money in every word? Love in every word has gotten 17 million views on YouTube. As a YouTuber, I'm always curious whenever I see something go viral and has so much views. I had to go and ask ChatGPT to break down how much this video would have made on YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you everything on the screen. Even if you don't know how money is made on YouTube, you are going to understand everything I'm going to share because I asked ChatGPT to explain it like a 7-year-old would understand it. So I'll break everything down. Even if you don't know much about YouTube, you will still learn from this video on how money is made through YouTube ad. As you can see on the screen, this is the movie, and right here you can see the views on the video, 17 million views. Before we go into the video, if you're a beginner, you might want to know what are the factors that determines making money on YouTube. So right now I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT very easy and fast. What are the factors that determine making money on YouTube? And explain it in such a way a 7-year-old can understand. So let's go, right? If you're a beginner, this is very simple and clear. I'm going to explain every one of these for you, one after the other, because that's what we're going to use to analyze the video on YouTube. Money in every word, love in every word. So the first thing that determines making money on YouTube is how many people watch the video. So the love in every word was watched by 17 million people. Note that, 17 million people. The second one is type of video. The type of video, love in every word, there are different videos. There is gaming videos, there is financial video, there is entertainment. So that video is grouped under entertainment on YouTube. Love in every word is under entertainment. Where the people are watching from, this one is very, very important. The greater the audience are from US, UK, the more money you are likely to make. So let's say 50% of people that watched love in every word, let's say they are from Nigeria, is going to also determine how much the person is going to make from the video. Then how long people watch. So that video is over 1 hour 30 minutes, and most people watched it because it's a trending video. All right. So, and finally, it said how many ads YouTube puts on the video. The longer your video, the more the ad. So if you have watched that love in every word, I'm very sure you saw at least 5 adverts popping up in the video. So the more they add, the more money that video is likely to make. This is very clear, right? Now, you've gotten these 5 things. I'm going to take you into my YouTube studio. Of course, I have a monetized YouTube channel. I'm going to show you what determines making money on YouTube using these 5 things we have already outlined in this video. Now, I'm going to take you to my YouTube studio as you are seeing on the screen. So this is my channel. I've not posted video in a long while, so this is actually the first video I'm posting in 2025. So if you're just coming to my channel for the first time, to encourage me, please hit that subscribe button, like this video. So I'm already monetized, I have 10,000 subscribers, and so let me select a video that is actually making money right here. So this is one of my videos, right, that is monetized. So I'm going to go to the monetization. I'm going to explain this before we go to love in every word so that you understand it. So my monetization is on, everything is on. So I'm going to go to my analytics and I'm going to go to my revenue. So right here is my revenue. Okay. So this video has made me $180. Okay, this is my revenue. So the first thing that determines making money is what we call watch page advance. Advance. That's how much advertisers pay. It's called CPM. So this is the first thing I want you to note, because this my video is on marketing and sales. So my CPM is about 7.4. 7.4. But most videos in entertainment, like comedy, movies, they hardly get up to 7.4 in their CPM. But if the video is very long, they can get up to that. If the longer the video, the more money that video is going to be making. All right, so we have 7.4, and then we have what we call RPM. So RPM, my RPM is 5.8. So as you can see on the screen, it's 5.8. All right, so this is my RPM right here, 5.8. So what is RPM? RPM is the money you make per 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views that watch advert on my channel, I get $5.8. So that means YouTube have collected their own share, their own percentage from this $7.4 here. So YouTube collects 45%, while they leave 55.5% for me. That video, Love in Every Word, what do you think will be the CPM? So let me assume the CPM is about $5, and the RPM is probably $3. So we're going to leave it at that, but most time it will be higher than that because the video is over 90 minutes. So the longer a video, the more the CPM and the RPM. So I hope you got that. It's very, very clear. So if you're not a YouTuber, I know to be sounding strange to you, but if you're a YouTuber, you already understand what I'm saying, all right? But if you're not a YouTuber, you can actually start your own channel today and learn all of these things, all right? Because YouTube is one of the best platforms to earn in dollars. All right, guys, so the major factor that determines how much a video makes, just like you have seen on my YouTube studio, is what we call CPM, all right? Cost per mille. So that is how much YouTube, an advertiser, pays for advert on your video. So for every 1,000 adverts, that's the amount of money they pay. So right now, I'm asking ChatGPT, what is the average CPM of Nigerian movie on YouTube of about 90 minutes? So ChatGPT is replying, it says, depending on the content type, location, everything, it's about 0.5 to $3. So this is the CPM for 1,000 views for average Nigerian movie. I hope you get that very clear. So we're going to use this CPM. So let's say we are going to pick between 0.5 to 3. So we are going to pick $2 to use it to analyze this Love in Every Word movie, to know how much that video would have made on YouTube. So I said, ChatGPT, using a CPM of $2, calculate how much the movie Love in Every Word would likely make on YouTube. So ChatGPT begins, it says what? Earnings, total view divided by 1,000 times CPM. So it now says for 100,000 views, is likely going to earn $200. So let's go to 1 million views. For 1 million views, it's going to earn $2,000. Now, so if you now do it for 17.4 million views, which is what the video currently have on YouTube, it is going to give you, about $34,800. If you want to change this in Naira currently, do you know what it's going to be? So let's see how much it is right now in Naira. Say 34,500 multiplied by 1,550. Currently, that is about 53 million Naira. 53.4 million Naira. This is how much a 90 minutes of entertainment have made for that YouTube channel. 53 million Naira. Even a doctor working in the hospital for 5 years, earning 300,000 or 400,000 every month, have not made this kind of money. And that's the money a YouTube channel have made in less than 1 month. That is to show you the power of YouTube. I mean, if you're a beginner, you don't have a YouTube channel, and you are from a developing country, you are really missing a lot. You need to start a YouTube channel today. All right, you have watched to this point in this video. I promised you a PDF that is going to help you if you are a beginner on YouTube, right? If you want to gain access to that PDF, I want you to write in the comment section, YouTube PDF. Just type YouTube PDF and I will send you the link, all right? That PDF contains knowledge you need to know about YouTube, basic knowledge, and I've outlined videos that you can watch today to learn about YouTube, to learn how to edit videos, and everything you need to know, the most basic things you need to know about YouTube to start today, all right? Comment YouTube PDF and I will send you the link right away. You can also join my community. The link will also be right there in the comment section right now. I share tips to people on how they can go about their YouTube journey, right? And even on my channel right here, you're going to learn so much more. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell always to get amazing videos from this channel. For me, I have my channel and I have a lot of channel I also manage for people. So you need to start your own YouTube channel. Achalugo, this is all the time to go. Go and tell Odogu to buy you a YouTube course, buy you a good phone, and you start shooting videos today. So this is how much roughly, using a CPM of $2, this video has made. And for many people, they enjoy the video, but for the producer, he has raked over 50 million naira just for creating a video. And this video is still going viral. I mean, this video is still going to reach 20 million views. And when it gets to 20 million views, you should know how much it is going to make. Probably about $40,000. Imagine that. I mean, somebody just uploaded a video and it trended, got 70,000 million views, and this is raking over $34,000. And this is something everybody can do. You don't even need to be a comedian. You don't even need to be a musician for you to be able to make this kind of money on YouTube. You just need to be determined to start your own channel, go into a profitable niche, especially AI videos and all of that, and you will make this the same amount of money. Actually, start your YouTube channel and make your own money. Odogu, buy that course for Achalugo. Very, 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 very. Buy it right now and let her also begin to make money like you do. Alright guys, so if you watch this video to the end, I've successfully showed you how much this video has made so far on YouTube and how YouTube calculates payments and pay people for advert. All right, so this is me telling you, go and start your own YouTube channel. All right, if you want to get started on YouTube today, I have a course where I've taught on YouTube mastery. That course will show you how to create a YouTube channel, how to edit videos, and how to also manage channels for people. You can manage channels for people outside this country and they pay you in dollars every month. If you want to get access to the course, the link is in the description of this video. Alright? Until then, Achalug, if you share this video, I will marry you.